Working on some sawmill work today. Getting us some oak trees. Cut some 2x8s out of. Hard to find 20-foot stuff. Had a little spot today with a pretty good little wood yard. A lot of it's just firewood, but there's some good boards in there too. Another one down. So that's another one down. We are here doing some logging today for the sawmill for True Vine Timbers. Got a place with a couple of oaks, pretty good size. A good bit of it's firewood, but anyway, this is probably a 28 to 30 inch red oak right here. Don't have to have the track hoe here, but man, it sure makes it easier. Get everything cut to size. We're cutting 20-foot 6 2x8s, full 2 inches, 20-foot long, 20-foot 6 long. Always like to get a little extra on everything just to make sure. There's the track hoe. It's a little one, but it's enough to help. Anyway, pretty day, sun shining. Adios from True Vine East. We got them loaded. Our cell was a pulpwood truck. About to head to True Vine.